All right, within the first 14 days of launching this Facebook ads campaign, we've brought in 20 exclusive AC replacement leads at a cost per lead of $34 with only $696 in ad spend so far. And in this quick case study, I'm going to go over the targeting, the ad creative, the offer, and the most important thing, which is our backend automation that follows up, pre-qualifies the leads 24/7, which ensures that our end clients never waste time on low quality leads and time wasters. Now, if you guys are new to the channel, my name is Peyton Rasti, and my agency does lead generation for home improvement companies, helping them get more leads, book more jobs, and ultimately make more money. So if that's something you guys are interested in, don't forget to subscribe. Now, the first thing first is going to be our targeting. So we're targeting a radius of, each city that our client wants to target, their service area, so we can target by like pinpoint accuracy, either by zip code or just the city. For age, 34, 65 plus, because these are mostly homeowners and have the money. Genders, male, female. And then for targeting, we're just going broad. Next is going to be our ad creative. This is the most important thing, which is our ad creative. And so we use mostly video ad creatives. And I'm going to play one for you so you can get a sense of what they look like.
Get a brand new AC system installed with no payments and no interest for 9 months. This limited time offer is only available for Greater Vancouver homeowners, and the first 15 who book will also receive a free smart thermostat with their installation. With over 70 plus 5-star reviews, Mechanical is one of the top-rated HVAC companies in the area, trusted by homeowners who value fast service, honest pricing, and quality workmanship. Installations are quick, and every system comes with a 10-year parts and labor warranty. Tap below to check availability and get your free quote today.
All right, so after the leads, they hit get a quote. We ask them 4 to 6 qualification questions right on Facebook. And the first question would be, are you a homeowner? How old is your current HVAC system? Square footage of your property, and what type of system you're interested in, and how soon they're looking to have the new system installed. Now, for this question here, a lot of our clients, they might not want to be dealing with people who are, just browsing or not looking, not as serious. So if somebody answers on the form, just browsing, not ready yet, we just disqualify them. We don't even let them come through. Unless you want them all, that's a different strategy. But some of like this client of ours, he said that he doesn't want to deal with people just browsing. He's looking for people who are looking to move forward in the next, 2 months, basically. ASAP, within 30 days, within 1 to 2 months. So that's something we can do. And then at the end, we ask them full name, phone number, email, and city. And on the thank you page on Facebook, once they hit submit, we're going to tell them what's going to happen next so they can expect what's next, which is we tell them, hey, you're going to receive a text shortly from John at XYZ company. Reply yes to confirm your phone number. Once confirmed, we'll schedule your free quote. Now, it's important here that we have this automation I was talking about, which is runs on the back end, because the thing about Facebook ads is we don't want to assume that every lead that comes in is legit, because on Facebook, you're going to have leads who are going to fill out the form out of curiosity. Some are going to put a wrong phone number, and some are going to be just time wasters, spammers. So it's important whenever the lead fills out the form, we have this backend automation. We send them an SMS to the lead. So the moment they submit that form on Facebook, we don't let them come through as a lead yet. So we have this one more step where we, send them an SMS saying, hey, example would be, hey, Peter Austin here from XYZ company. Thanks for requesting a free quote for a new AC system. Just reply yes to confirm your phone number and I'll get you scheduled. Now, the moment they reply with a yes, that's when we count them as a pre-qualified lead. And then we'll send that information, the lead's info, immediately to our end client, like this, where they can call the lead, book that in-home estimate. Now, if they don't reply with the yes to this here, you don't want to count them as a pre-qualified lead. You know what I mean? So this is important. The only time they're counted as a pre-qualified is they reply with a yes. So we know they're serious, at least. And then this is what our client, this is a screenshot of what our clients get. So they get an immediate SMS and email notification of the lead where they can call, book the estimate. Now, in case, they don't reply yes to the first SMS, we have 3 more follow-ups that go out. the next one would go out after 10 minutes. It's going to say something like, still interested in a free quote? Reply yes, and we'll schedule a time that works for you. If they don't reply to that within another hour, we send them another one. And then the last one goes after 4 hours. So the reason we want to have this is, because people, sometimes they could be busy, they got to go pick up the kids, they got to run around. People have life. So they might not answer on this one the first try, or the second one, but sometimes we get them right after, the third try. So it's important we have follow-ups, not just send them an SMS one time and just forget. So that's how this all works. And that's about it. Now, if you own an HVAC company or any home improvement company, you're looking to get more leads, book more jobs, ultimately make more money, I'm going to leave a link down in the description of this video. You can book a call with me. We'll hop on a quick phone call, 10-minute phone call, see where you're at, where you're trying to go, what your goals are, and see if we can even help you get where you want to go. And that's about it. Again, thanks for watching this video and have a nice day.